Get out and see if there's brake lights.
Okay.
No brake lights?
No brake lights. Not a single brake light to be seen.
She needs an alignment. Yep. Alright, so
Where did he go? Oh, there he is.
the header in my arm is really burnt now.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, it should be fine.
Is it good? What if this happens while we're on the road, though?
That's what I'm thinking. Freaking wee ball. This car sucks balls. No brake lights, no lights, no anything. Shifter gets stuck in gear. Wee ball. Oh, let me look out my little rear view mirror. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see a lot going on there.
The rear view mirror in question.
Oh, are we about to shift in a third? No, we ain't, because we're gonna get stuck in gear at the light. Or we ain't. So we gotta roll into the light. Yep. We're getting there. Yep. Oh, time to use the brake.
What just happened?
Car doesn't work. That's what happened. All right, you think you can get over here, press down the brake while I look under the hood?
Just, that's all I have to do?
Yeah, because there's no e-brake in this.
Well, got my foot on the brake. Smells kind of stinky. Still doing my job from the other seat. Big chungus. I kept my foot on the brake from the other seat.
Fine.
Moment of truth, was it the gas? Yeah!
Wee ball. Wee ball. Wee ball, boy.
Woo! I see nothing out the window.
Now let's see, we're gonna stall this baby.
I would not go now.
Wee ball.
Yeah!
It's stuttering, so there's something wrong with this thing. It's gonna break down. Just gotta gas through it, baby. Come on. 2 miles to home. We can make it. All right, come on. I'm not even gonna send it. I'm gonna send it. Come on, baby. Ooh, I got a little AC down here.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's a little hole.
The little hole.
Yeah, just a little. You know, you don't get days like these too often. You appreciate it. Getting your piece of crap classic car home.
Yep.
There's a big drive, no brake lights. But hey, we made it.
We made
so,
it.
Well, we're like a quarter mile from there now. Are you there, girl? It has to do with hills.
We'll come back for that.
Did it just blow a rod? You know, that's enough for today. Good job, girl. May have blew up the engine, but we ball.
But we ball. Let's go see.
Let's go see the
Let's
damage.
go see.
Oil pan is intact. So that means a rod must have not fell out.
What fell out then? The actual clank noise was crazy.
It was very cartoonish.
Yes.
Alright, that's fine. My little eye.
A busted
push
rod.
rod. It's back home. It runs. Now we're gonna sell it.
Really?
Before anything else happens.
Good condition as of this date.
That idiot just ran over my push rod.
Oh no, what is it?
Oh, I just had this sitting on top of my engine. It's just the oil pump drive shaft.
Let's go! Hey! Hey! No pushed out push rods today.
Nope, not yet.
Let me see that. The culprit in question. Take this back. You should hang that on your wall.
When we got closer and closer, I was like, it's a push rod. We ball.
We ball! We ball!